Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making this absolutely delicious and really easy to make Paneer Modak recipe. So this combination was really new for me and I was really excited to try this out. So here's what we're going to be using. We've took around 500 grams of paneer, 20 ml of milk, a pinch of saffron, and then about 30 grams of crushed mixed dry fruit powder, mitai mate, also known as condensed milk, and then half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, and some pistachios for garnishing and decoration at the end. So first what we're going to do is add our saffron into this warm milk, and we're just going to mix it in. This is going to almost unleash all the flavors, and we're also going to get this nice color from the saffron. So the next step is just to get the paneer, and we're going to put it into nice cubes like this and just blend it all together. Then we're going to add in our blended paneer into a heated pan, and we're just going to continuously mix it for around 4 to 5 minutes. We've kept it on the medium flame and just continuously mixing it until it reaches this consistency. Then we're going to add in our 50 ml of condensed milk. You don't need too much of it because we want the nice consistency. Then once it's all mixed together nicely, we're going to add in our cardamom powder, mixed dry fruit powder, and our kesar milk, our saffron milk. Then again, we're going to give this another nice mix, just continuously stirring it until we have this nice binded consistency. Then once we've got this mixture, we're going to turn off the heat and just let it cool down into another vessel for around 5 to 7 minutes so we can handle this with our hands nicely. Just lightly spreading it out so it can cool down quicker. We've got 2 different sizes of the Modak molds, so this is just how we're going to use it. We're going to put 1 pistachio on each side, and then we're just going to fill it up with the mixture. Then when you press them together and just remove all the excess, you'll get this nice shape. As you can see, it's really sculpted and really easy to make. Now we're just going to do it with a bigger Modak mold. You can put extra or less pistachios. We're just putting 1 on each. And then again, we're just going to completely fill it up. If you think you haven't put in enough at this stage, there's normally a hole at the bottom which you can just fill up. Try and make it as tight as you can because this gives the best shapes. And just like this, we're going to make loads more. Now it's time for plating! As you can see, this turned out to be a really awesome recipe. So if you like this too, then please don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos just like this one. Bye for now, happy cooking! Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all my friends and family!